Welcome to ORIS 101. GMate is much more than just a system control center. It's not just about controlling performance, it's about empowering your ideas. Now, we are taking that power one step further, into the world of coding. Introducing GMate Coder, a powerful local AI built to accelerate every line of code you write. It runs 100% locally on your machine. This means you can code your heart out in a totally secure environment, knowing your work stays private. Getting started with GMate Coder is super easy. Just click the icon on the right in the GMate main menu. Once it's open, you'll see a chat window that looks very familiar. Think of Coder as your second brain. Whether you're a total beginner or a coding pro, you can talk to it using natural, everyday language. For example, just type, "Help me write a lottery program." In just a few seconds, it will generate the complete code you need. Now we've got the code, but what if you're not sure how to actually run it? No problem. GMate Coder isn't just a tool. It's like having a personal mentor. Just type, "How do I turn this into an executable program?" It will give you a simple step-by-step guide to get everything up and running. With its powerful built-in LLM, it understands exactly what you need, taking you from a single line of text to a fully functional app. If you're a pro developer, Visual Studio Code is probably your second home, but standard VS Code is just an editor. To truly speed up, you need intelligence. That's where GMate Coder comes in. It integrates seamlessly. Simply hit the 2 VS Code button in the top right corner. Select your model. GMate will trigger VS Code for you. Once you're in, click the icon in the bottom left corner to bring up the Coder window. Since everything stays within the same browser, you can seamlessly copy and paste code back and forth between the windows. You're good to go. If you run into a problem, just ask Coder in plain English. For example, ask it, "What's wrong with this piece of code?" It will think it through and give you the answer. But it's not just for debugging, it can refactor your code too. Try asking it to rewrite your code in a different language. Whether it's Python, C, C++, or many others, Coder supports all the mainstream languages. Plus, with smart completion, it predicts what you're about to type next, making coding feel as natural as breathing. And that's a quick look at GMate Coder. The best part? Starting from the 2025 lineup, every Gigabyte gaming laptop comes with GMate Coder built in and ready to go. Whether you're crushing school assignments or building major projects, GMate Coder takes you from idea to done at lightning speed. Got questions? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.